Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. All right, so we only have 4 questions, single-sided, yay. Marisol is training for a marathon. Marathons are like super, super long running races. Specifically, a marathon is 26 miles, so she's got to run a lot. This week, she ran 2 miles on Monday, 4 miles on Tuesday, 5 miles on Wednesday, 7 miles on Thursday, that's a lot, and 2 miles on Friday. What is the average? Okay, average is the math word that we're looking at right here. Average, we talked about in class, is also a synonym. It also means the mean. So, as we remember, there are 3 steps to find the mean. Step 1, add up all your numbers. All these numbers, 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. Step 2, count. How many numbers did you actually just add together? This is kind of easy because it's the days of the week. So how many days between Monday and Friday? Step 3, we're going to divide. Our answer for 1, like what does the sum make? What is the total of all these miles divided by how many days it is? So your answer for part 1 divided by your answer for part 2. That answer itself is your mean or your average. That's what you're going to have as your final answer. Don't forget your units. I'm not taking any naked numbers. They have to have number and units. Number 2, Joshua's teacher asked him to find the median, that's our math word right there, of the set of data below. He said it's 13. Is he correct? If so, why? Is he not correct? If so, why? So I should expect to see a yes or a no, and then a because. It can be because why, that's not how you write. It can be because he's did this, this, and that's why he's right, or because he did this, this, and that's why he's wrong, and he should have done this. So if your answer is yes, then great, you're sticking with 13, you're telling me why it's 13. If your answer is no, you're telling me why it's not 13, and you're telling me what it actually should have been. Remember that median is our longest M word. It has a D in the middle because it is talking about the middle. Middle is also a long M word that has D's in the middle. So you're looking for the middle number. Carlos looked at the same set of data as Joshua. Wait, who's Joshua? What data set are we talking about? We're talking about the one in number 2. So Carlos is looking at this right here. Same deal. For question 2 and question 3, you're looking at this same set of numbers. Carlos says the mode is 20. If you had the privilege of listening to me sing in class today, you will remember that mode's the most numbers that are repeated. Carlos says that's 20. You got to tell me if he's right or wrong, and he's right and he's wrong is not a complete answer. You need to tell me why. Give me some evidence. Show me your work. I expect complete sentences. Last one, find the mean, the median, and the mode of this set of data. That means that I expect 3 different answers, and you need to clearly label which one is which. Because they all start with M, you can't just be like M, this number, M, that number. So you're going to tell me what's the mean. We already outlined the steps for mean in problem 1. What's the median? We already talked about which one is the median in number 2. Mode's the most frequent number. Tell me what that is like you did in question 3. So this is one problem with 3 different answers. There are no units here. We're just talking numbers and there's no context. So you can just give me a 1 number answer. And that's it. Our homework was really fast today. And tomorrow is Friday. So I'll see you tomorrow.